if you got superpowers, guess that would make you what? Like some super dog?
Naturally, this is classified.
Oh, come on. Like, best power. Go move. Go flying. Can fly?
Don't be silly. I can't fly.
Okay, we're fine. Powers. You don't have any powers. But name.
I have a super bark.
A super buck? Wow, you're kidding me. What can do with super buck?
I can't really talk about it. It is classified. So you just suggested pipe me down and take me to Penny.
You're awfully attached to this Penny character.
She's my person.
Oh, please. She's a person. And if you ask me, the only type of person is a... Ah!
Styrofoam! Tuck and roll!
Tug and what?
What is this red liquid coming from my paw?
It's blood, hero.
Do I need it?
Yes. This will be your body. Belongs. Stop trying to... I under the interstate.
Yeah, normally I'm metabolism indestructible. Must be in the, Styrofoam, that stuff, you weakens me.
Aha!
What are you doing? Put that down.
I'm gonna seriously poke you. I'm gonna seriously poke you with the styrofoam.
Oh, you mad? You don't know the power of styrofoam.
Burn that, baby. Unleash it, the power of the styrofoam.
All right, cat. All right, you win. I'll untie you. That's where a place to put a piano. Hiya!
Ah!
Are we gonna have any more problems, cat?
No more problems. To go back to Penny.
Ah! What is that?
What?
That! Okay, you have 2 seconds to make a plan for me, cat. Poison, a parasite, poison. Okay, so see, I'm just got publicly. I can't think straight.
Oh, please. You're hungry.
No, where is the antidote?
Okay. There's the antidote. Food. Come on, the bike says it's gonna be beautiful. You know, bag. Do the dog face.
What? The dog face? What does that mean?
Bag. Oh, okay. You want the antidote. You got to do exactly what I say.
Not likely. You're a deep, generic creature of darkness.
Yeah. Dead. All this could do is jerk your head a little. You catch up? Come on. More.
This is stupid.
Oh, no. Please.
You're almost
there.
No, boy.
Okay. Try it the other
way.
There you
go. Down.
Now
a little smile.
Lose the smile.
Smile.
Drop your left
Up here.
Your other
left.
Okay.
All right.
The other way was good. Now
Put
drop
it
them
on both.
Hold it.
Put it
Right
there.
And
Ever so slightly. Look up.
Soup
Soup is on, baby.